Okay, this is not made for a fluffy grandma. Okay, so I need new faucets in my bathroom. I actually replaced them a couple years ago, but I bought cute, cheap ones off of Amazon. What a bad idea, just telling you. So I will show you what it cost. Okay. Oops, it didn't work. Can you see all this? This is the problem that we are having with purchasing inexpensive drains. So, inexpensive sinks. I can see my other camera. So what we're gonna do is replace them today. And I'm trying to be all professional, but see, I don't know how to work the camera stand. You see it? So I am going to be using the Delta Windemere. It's 4-inch center set. It says it fits a 3-hole sink, which this is actually 1 hole. Oh, I think this is the 3-hole sink, but we only use 1 hole. But anyways, it's all good. So we're going to do this. And you can't see, but my kitten is over there playing with the tape, plumbing tape. Kitten's driving me nuts. And this is gonna be pretty. So this is the plan. It's got everything we need. It's got the sink, the faucet, little doohickeys, this, and the instructions. But the first thing we need to do is shut off the water. Guess it doesn't matter. Okay. Ow. Because I'm going to replace faucet through mounting holes in sink. Okay, so we're gonna do it from down below. That stinks. Because now I gotta pull this down below. Hold on, let me let the hoses disappear again. Okay. So we've got this got the gasket, these, so it's gonna go like that. Oh, look pretty. So then down below, gotta go back down below, got a really tight spot, and attach everything. Okay, this is not made for a fluffy grandma. You all are not going to be able to see what I'm doing under there. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, because this is a cute little cabinet, but it's little. And this big fluffy grandma is barely fitting in there. Now, this kitten, she fits in there, right? Me not so well. So I will show you what I'm doing with the pipes out on the table. Okay, so it's me. So realizing trying to film me underneath the sink doesn't work. Yes, I know the camera's shaky. It's not because I'm having an earthquake, it's because I have a kitten. So I want to show you kind of what I'm doing under there. First of all, the faucet. This is going on top of the sink, you know. This is the gasket you're doing there. This is going through. Now on the underside, first thing you're gonna do, see these, twist them on. Woo, 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 woo. okay? Now the hoses. This didn't come with the hoses, or what they call them, supply lines. Official supply lines. But not to freak you out, because this freaked me out at first. I didn't realize. You want a kitten? Stop! I didn't realize these hoses were 2 different sizes, the ends. So I was freaking out because this little one won't fit on there. Duh. It fits on the wall though. This does fit. It barely fits. See, this side won't fit, but this side will fit, but it barely fits. So you've got to do it just so. Okay. Now I put some plumber's tape on there. I don't know if you really need it or not, but I did do that. So, but that's what you're gonna do with that. These are gonna go up, then you're gonna put the supply line here. Put some plumber's tape just to be careful. The drain. This was actually probably the hardest part of the whole thing. I was having a hard time getting it to seal correctly. So, I did plumber's putty around the sink, you know, around the drain up top. The first time I did, I didn't put enough, so water was able to put a whole lot. It'll squeeze out if you have too much. And then you've got it down below. And then what I did was the skinny little washer first. So we got the skinny little O-ring and the big O-ring. Make sure the big O-ring, the dome is going up, because this is going to go through the sink and then you're going to screw it from the bottom. And thing to remember, underneath your sink, everything's backwards. So you would think it'd be right. You would think it'd be righty-tighty. It's not righty-tighty. It's lefty-tighty. Okay. So that's what I did underneath the sink. Okay, was I did this, and then just attached my P-trap and everything right to the bottom. Okay, so it's a really small sink. So let's get back to me finishing up the sink so you can see what the end results are. Okay, let me get the plumber's putty out of here. I'm going to turn on the water. Okay, water's on. Stop! Everything's leaking. Damn it, man. Let's see. We're gonna turn it on. Can you see? I'm turning it on. No leaking. It says the battery's dead on this. Okay, well, it's not leaking anymore. I'm gonna let the battery charge and get this all cleaned up, and I'll show you what it looks like. Bye. Okay, it's finished. It is finished. Look at, there's the faucet. I did it. I went and put, oh, you don't really want to see me in the mirror. So I went and put contact paper on all the drawers and the shelves to make it all pretty inside, and organized it. So that little DIY is done. If you have any suggestions on better ways I could do it, or if you have any questions on what I did or anything, I got the faucet at Lowe's. Okay? So thank you for watching.